simple ingredients used in preparing this tasty chin chin include flour. Here, as seen in the video, trying to measure out the quantity of flour used so that I will be able to know the right amount of ingredients to add. Okay, after this I added sugar. This is sugar, butter, nutmeg, baking powder, milk, and eggs. Milk and eggs. So with these ingredients listed above, there's what I use to make this tasty chin chin. So here, after adding it, I added eggs. They are already beaten and I had to add it then and mixed properly to get all the ingredients mixed together, after which I added water to do the final mixing. Here adding water to properly combine them, all these ingredients together. So after that, I noticed that I'm unable to mix it properly. Had to call Biggie to continue with the mixture. As seen in the video, he is done mixing it. Next stage is kneading and slicing into tiny bits, as seen in the video. Done with mixing. Now I am kneading the dough. This is check your because well. Check you go to outside.
One, chop two. Chop one, chop two.
One kitty, Biggie,
No!
This is Del Chim Chim. This is Del Chim Chim. Call us. Place your order and it will get delivered to your doorstep, you know.